Hi, I'm Chef Valerie Dulzer, and I welcome you today to the ABS & Taylor showroom and kitchen. Today I'm going to be discussing on how to sanitize your Taylor by Frigomat GX2. The neat feature is having a batch ready while sanitizing the other barrel. I already have my water and sanitizer ready in a bucket. I'm just going to go ahead and pour the water with the sanitizer solution directly into your barrel. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the button to agitate your beater. This is going to go ahead and twirl your sanitizer around. With turning on the agitation and pulling your drain valve, the water will be coming out of your buckets. Once all of the water comes out, we can go ahead and close our drain and turn off the agitation. All the product is out, but we still want to rinse it, so we're going to take some lukewarm water. We're going to take our handy dandy brush, and we're just going to go ahead and brush around the sides to make sure it's nice and clean. After that's done, we'll want to go ahead and close the lid back up, open both of the drains again, and turn on the agitator to let all the clean water come out. As you can see, the water is clean coming out, to where once it's all out, we can go ahead and close this drain back up. We'll push the drain back in, turn the agitator off, and go ahead and close the other drain. So now that we've drained all the liquid, we can go ahead and take all of the parts of the machine and go wash them in our 3-compartment sink to wash, rinse, and sanitize. We can take off the lid just by pulling this plug. We'll take off the spoon. We'll twist the top of the beater and pull the beater out. The blade slides off. And you would want to make sure that we get that drain plug cleaned as well. So we'll unscrew all the way and go ahead and pull it out. There are 3 O-rings on here. And this machine comes with a handy tool to go ahead and you would pick each one off and wash it in your 3-compartment sink. When all the components are washed, we would want to take a sanitized rag and go ahead and wipe the inside of our barrel and just take our small brush sanitized and go inside just to make sure that there's no product left inside and it's sanitized from debris. Once all of our parts are cleaned, we can go ahead and put our machine back together. So now that we've sanitized all of our parts, we're going to go ahead and put them all back together. We'll take our beater and we'll go ahead and slide the blade back on. As you notice, there is an indentation and that will fit directly on the shaft. We'll take our nut and go ahead and screw it back on. We'll take our lid and go ahead and slide it through our spoon, and we'll put it back on. And we'll want to make sure after we go ahead and put the 3 O-rings back on, we take a little bit of the blue Taylor lube to make sure that since this piece does move, nothing leaks and everything is working perfectly. We'll go ahead and slide it back in, tighten it on, and then make sure it's pushed all the way in. As the lid is closed, now you have a nice sanitized machine ready to put in a new product. Thank you for visiting us at ABS & Taylor Kitchen and Showroom. For any additional information, please visit us at our website at absandtaylor.com.